COVID-19 outbreak, let's talk about it. Biggest impact on North Texas announced a little bit ago tonight, and an even longer closure of many businesses and restrictions on restaurants. Specifically, City of Dallas is where I'm going to start. Tonight, Mayor Eric Johnson announcing the emergency health declaration for the city is now going to remain in effect until April 29th. That's at least 6 weeks of restaurants only allowed to do takeout or drive-through or delivery, and the closure of bars, theaters, gyms, and other businesses. Dallas County also announcing new restrictions extending to all cities in the county today. And as Andrea Lucia reports tonight for us, the rules could even extend to your home, even into your backyard.
We are in a uniquely bad situation, and we've got to act aggressively.
Dallas County Judge Clay Jenkins once again tightened restrictions under the disaster declaration he first issued less than a week ago, this time limiting recreational gatherings, those primarily social in nature, to groups of 10 people or less.
Examples of this would be a backyard barbecue, a social event, a pickup basketball game.
Church services, even weddings and funerals and other community gatherings would remain limited to a crowd of fewer than 50. The reason for the distinction:
I'm not at the point where I'm going to tell a family at this point which one of them can't go to their loved one's funeral. Okay? Just not there yet.
Jenkins says anyone who violates the order could face a fine or jail time. Already, he says, there have been a couple of instances where officers were sent to remind people. The county judge said he's also asked for a 60-day halt to evictions and waived any restrictions limiting when trucks can deliver food and medical supplies. Tomorrow, he'll ask county commissioners to extend the disaster declaration by 30 days. Without their approval, it's set to expire Friday morning. Jenkins does expect the court to approve that extension. He also announced that tonight or early tomorrow morning there will be a truck arriving with new tests for the novel coronavirus, and these are a new type of test that can be run more quickly and at larger volumes.
And you know what? I heard that along with you at the press conference. I'm curious, so with Dallas County getting more tests now and this volume of tests coming in, does that mean they're going to become more widely available? Did he speak to that?
Well, Doug, with this supply, Dallas County does hope to open 2 drive-through testing centers. One of them would be here in the area around the American Airlines Center. The other one would be at the Ellis Davis Field House that's in South Dallas. Those logistics are still being worked out. Jenkins said he hopes that they would be made available to people who are 65 and older and to people with underlying health conditions. They would all, though, to qualify for that test, have to have symptoms of the coronavirus.
Yeah, makes sense. Greatest need first. Andrea, thank you very much for the explanation.